welcome back to today's video. My name is Isabel. If you are new here, this is Olivia. She just woke up from her nap. This is my 6-month-old little baby girl. If you can hear my kids playing in the background, the laundry going in the background. I got my Birchbox in, not my Birchbox, my Boxycharm. I literally think there's something wrong with me. So does she. Why is my camera gonna die? Okay, I just quickly wanted to show you what I got in my Boxycharm. So I definitely feel like it's like hit or miss. By the way, this is how I've been looking lately. I did put self tanner on, if you can tell, on my neck. My hair is disgusting. I need to wash it tonight. But no, don't do that again because that's how he fell. So I got these sponges. They gave me sponges in either last month or the month before the box, and I'm like, how many sponges do I need? I guess you go through sponges because they can just like get gross. So we'll see. These are Boxycharm times Hank and Henry. I don't know. Then I got 3 of these face masks, and we have illuminating, calming, and purifying. To be totally 110% honest, I'm not the biggest fan of like these sheet masks. I like more of a mask.
So hard.
I like more of a mask that you just like put on, like the detox mask from Teamy Tea that I used to use all the time. Whatever. Then I got this Iconic London. I believe this is a plumping lip gloss. I'm not a gloss kind of gal, but I'll give it a try. Then this is like my most exciting thing that I got was the, no. What? I know. Just did my workout. Olivia's napping. Boys are having lunch. My camera died. Mom was showing me stuff, so I'm gonna go show. Is she awake now?
Yes. She's awake now.
My 3-year-old wakes her up all the time. Alrighty, my friends, it's the next day. How is everyone doing? I put makeup on. I did this fun pink look because I'm just feeling festive and fun because I'm not going anywhere. So my bed's like half made. This is my bear. Okay, so if anyone's ever seen my bear, let's just talk about my bear. So, my best friend when I was in 6th grade, my dad passed away. At that time I was 12. And there's this little toy store in our town that we lived in, or a couple towns over. And we were there with her mom, like randomly looking at toys. And I was like, oh my god, I want that bear so bad. And it's like one of these, like, it's by Gund, G-U-N-D, I don't know. It was just like those, like, it was just like a bougie toy store kind of where they sell like their stuffed animals are super expensive. So whatever. So my dad passed away and my best friend and her family bought this for me. So this is my dad's handkerchief that he was a painter and he would wear handkerchiefs all the time. And this was like his most like worn one, like infamous, you know. And then deep down under here somewhere is the ribbon that they put on like the flowers during the funeral service and the wake or whatever, that says daddy on it. So I mean, it's like literally he died, it's gonna be 16 years this summer. So I've had this for that long and I sleep with it every night and I bring it with me everywhere I go. So that's, I just throw it. That's the story of my teddy bear. All right, so let's get into the good because I have had 12,007,054 questions. Oh my god, how trash am I? About Olivia's sleep sacks that I've got her. And mostly it's about the nested bean sleep sack. So I used the nested bean swaddle when she was being swaddled, and then I purchased the sleep sack now that she's transitioned out of the swaddle because she turns all over the place, like rolls over and can no longer be swaddled. So loved the swaddle. It swaddled on the inside, and then I don't know where it is. I put all of that stuff away. I'm sorry, but I'm like not digging through that right now. I have 5. Mike just took the boys to just go out for a ride, so I just like have a moment, and I'm sorry. But I can put up a picture. It's just swaddle, and then you put this flap over it that has these little tiny beads, nested bead, wait, is it nested bead? No, nested bean. Okay, so like little beans. Am I okay? No. And it's like weighted. So I have to say, so I've had so many, like literally, I'm not like one of those friggin', so a lot of people have been asking me, am I in skincare routine? Like, no, like honest to God, people have DM'd me on Instagram a million times asking me how I like the nested bean sack for Olivia. So I can't really say. She loved to be swaddled, like loved. She would smile and laugh and giggle like when I was swaddling her. She loved it so much. So transitioning her out of it has been difficult. We're okay now. So she sleeps a good like 6 to 7 hours a night. Yesterday she got a shot. So she was like kind of fussy to the end of the day, and she only slept a few hours, and then she was like nursing basically all night. So that's not every night. Ow. Oh my God, my foot's having a Charlie horse. Okay, so here it is. This is like from, I think it's a medium. It's a medium. It's from 6 to 15 months, 16 pounds to 26 pounds. She's only 14 pounds. So it's like a little, like it's super long, obviously, but it's fine. It zips on the side. You snap in the sleeves that goes over just a little jammy, and it has the weighted piece on the chest. Now, the other thing that I got is a Zipadee-Zip. So one of my friends had told me about these, and then I like saw an infomercial on them, and I was intrigued. So if you're having a problem with your baby, sorry that I'm like sinking, I just like can't. Okay. So if you're having a problem like transitioning from the swaddle to a sleep sack, this is great because they look like a flying squirrel. So their arms are zipped into right here, and obviously it zips, and their feet go down on the bottom. So this is the size 4 to 8 months. I got the smaller size because she is a little bit smaller, and I didn't want this. I wanted this to fit. I didn't want her to be swimming in it. I wanted it to work. Why? Can I speak? Isabel. So anyways, why is this like stained? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just like a little like drooly spit up. I don't wash these like every day. So anyways, so we've been going back and forth. Last night she was in the nested bean. The night before she was in this. I don't know. I can come back to you with a conclusion. I really don't know. She likes both of them. I kind of seem to be leaning towards the Zipadee-Zip more. I can link both of them. But they both are great, and they're both something that she'll sleep in for a long time. Like I plan on having her in a sleep sack for a while. Little background on me and my kids and sleeping. I co-slept with both of my boys. And this time around, like, it's just not possible. It's just not. Ben still comes into our bed, my 3-year-old, almost 4-year-old. He comes into our bed all the time. Michael sleeps in his bed all night, but I can't co-sleep with her. So anyways, so with them, I kind of just, like, whatever worked. Like, we really liked the fleece jammies, but I didn't do any, like, crazy sleep sack or anything. So whatever. That's besides the point, but if you were curious, I co-slept with them. And yeah, so that is like my review on the nested bean and the Zipadee-Zip. I really like, I can't give you, I like them both. Like I totally recommend them both. They work great. She seems to really like them, but I just like, they're not magical. Speaking of magic, the Magic Merlin suit, I have it over there. She slips out of it, and I have the 3 to 6 month size, and she like slips out of it. It just does not fit her correctly. I don't understand if she's too small or like what's going on, but that hasn't worked for us because she slips out of it and then gets mad that she's like half out of it, like looking like a half chewed marshmallow. So that was a no for us. I got ours on Poshmark for like a cheap price. Highly recommend doing that too. Also, if you're like on a budget, or if you're not and just like don't want to be spending $1 million on this baby stuff, definitely look on Poshmark, eBay, whatever, and they have some used ones that literally just wash them and they're totally fine. So yeah, that is my little spiel. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I'm jumping on the train for stripping laundry. So I ordered the Tide powder and borax, but I don't have the Arm & Hammer stuff. So we'll see if the results are still the same. I just desperately want to do this, and I couldn't wait to order the Arm & Hammer. So the water's already disgusting. So I'm really excited. And I have some, that's like our pillow cover, some of our pillowcases, some of my pajamas that I've worn for years and years and years. So I just, oh, and some of my Lululemons are in here too. So I'm so excited to see the results. I'll keep you posted. All right, the lighting's not the best. This is our upstairs bathroom because I obviously didn't want water sitting around. I don't know if like the boys were to fall in or something, but this is 2 hours. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. But this is 2 hours in and the water is literally disgusting. It doesn't smell bad. It just smells like a lot of Tide detergent. So yeah, that's how we're looking 2 hours in. I think I'm gonna do 4 hours because I'm gonna have to put the kids to bed and stuff, and I want to get it in the wash and the dryer before I have to go to bed, but it's freaking gross. Ew. Alright, so here we are. It has been about almost 5 full hours. Alright, my phone just ran out of battery, but it's been almost 5 hours. I'm gonna take this out, wash it and dry it, and I'll let you know how we're looking. So I washed, I don't dry my Lululemons, I let them hang dry, but everything's perfect, smells amazing, so that was a success. I'll link who I followed to do this whole laundry stripping. I got so many questions on my Instagram about it, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.